How many of us, I wonder, can recall that childhood moment when we experienced happiness as a state of being? That single moment of untarnished joy. That moment when everything in our world was all right. Everything was all right. And now we become a colony of adults and everything is all wrong. It's as if we were on a quest to get it back. And yet the more we focus on our own personal happiness, the more it eludes us. We should concern ourselves not so much with the pursuit of happiness, but with the happiness of pursuit.
I just come to realize that we're only here briefly. And while I'm here, I want to allow myself joy. So fuck it.
You ain't never without a reason to show off your teeth a bit. Spread out your cheeks a bit. Huh? Let your gums breathe a bit. If you can learn to reach deep for it, you can take yourself a piece of bliss and make yourself a feast of it.
It's your right to live. It's your right to know joy. Your life is colorful. It's meant to be rich. It's meant to be beautiful.
It all begins with how we choose to think.
Do you want to see this world as ugly or beautiful?